Chris is performing a carbon monoxide test with an electronic instrument that measures parts per million. And this system, which is 18 years old, is getting 0. That's very good for an 18-year-old system to get 0. This is good when you have your winter inspection. Your guy should do this test, but you should also have carbon monoxide alarms in your home.